Hi friends, this is Shraddha and Sandeep. Welcome to our channel A Creative, and this is our vlog Life Journey with us. I hope you guys have enjoyed our previous videos about Tungareshwar and Vasai Fort. Today we are going to explore Global Vipassana Pagoda in Gorai. So let's ride! The pagoda is huge and painted in golden color. When the sun's rays shone on it, it looked even better. It could be seen from miles away from the fringes of Western Mumbai. Finally, we have reached our destination. The Myanmar Gate is a massive entrance arch to the Global Vipassana Pagoda complex. The structure is a replica of the Shwedagon Pagoda of Yangon in Myanmar, the tallest in the world, and is built to show the gratitude of India to Myanmar for preserving the non-sectarian Vipassana form of meditation in its pure form when it was lost in the country of its birth, India. There is no charge to visit the pagoda, and even the tour guides are free of cost. The pagoda opened from 9 am to 7 pm. On ground floor, there is a bell tower and a gong tower. The bell tower is an open structure designed in the traditional Burmese architecture, holding a massive bell. This bell is donated by the people of Myanmar, was cast there and imported to India. It is roughly 14 metric ton in weight and 8 feet in height. It is said that if you ring this bell 3 times, you'll surely coming back again. The gong tower is a mirror image of the bell tower. Instead of a bell, this tower will have a massive circular gong. The pagoda was inaugurated by Pratibha Patil, then President of India, on 8 February 2009. It is built on donated land on peninsula between Gorai Creek and Arabian Sea. The pagoda is to serve as a monument of peace and harmony. The total cost of construction was around 135 crores. Total height of the pagoda 325 feet. Height of the pillarless main dome 90 feet. Diameter of the pillarless main dome 280 feet. And the sitting capacity is 8,000 persons. Height of north and south pagodas 60 feet. Foundation 30 feet deep with a 20 feet wide wall. Stone used 2.5 million tons of Jodhpur red sandstone. Quarries 1,200 kilometers away from the project site. Sand used 3,000 truckloads. And time spent 90 million man hours. The purpose of the Global Vipassana Pagoda is to share information about Vipassana and to remove misconceptions about the Gautama, the Buddha, and his teachings. The Buddha did not teach Buddhism. During his lifetime, he did not convert a single person to Buddhism, said the late principal Vipassana teacher S.N. Goenka, whose idea it was to build the Global Vipassana Pagoda. Inside the Global Vipassana Pagoda, 8,000 people enabling to practice the non-sectarian Vipassana meditation as taught by S.N. Goenka and now being practiced in over 100 countries. In fact, you can enroll for 10-day Vipassana meditation courses are held free of charge. The bone relics of Gautam Buddha were enshrined in the central locking stone of the dome on 29th October 2006. It is the world's largest structure containing relics of the Buddha. They were originally found in the stupa at Bhattiprulu, Guntur district, Andhra Pradesh, South India. They have been donated by the Mahabodhi Society of India. When Samrat Ashoka decided to spread Buddhism in Sri Lanka, his daughter took a branch of the Bodhi tree to Sri Lanka. The sapling was planted and was known as Jai Shri Mahabodhi, and it still exists in Sri Lanka. As a sign of gratitude, the branch from the same tree was planted in the pagoda in 2014. Hence, in a way, the cutting of the same tree under which the Buddha attained enlightenment has returned to its motherland after so many centuries. The Buddha statue. The Buddha statue is carved from a single rock of marble and weighs nearly 80 metric tons, and its height is around 21 feet. It is carved in seated meditative posture, which looks very calm. The statue is painted over the white marble, giving the statue a more lifelike view. The Global Vipassana Pagoda has a museum depicting the historical life of Gautam Buddha. Also, it has a library and study rooms where you can read many books about Gautam Buddha and Buddhism. This was an absolute pleasure and memorable visit. This experience was unique and serene. One suggestion: if you want to avoid crowd, try to reach early in the morning. So guys, how was this video? If you enjoyed this, hit the like button, subscribe our channel A Creative and share it with your friends. For more interesting videos and stories, click on the bell icon and get the notifications about our future videos. Stay tuned. Bye.